Welcome to Like Health. Cinnamon isn't just a flavorful spice, it's a powerful natural remedy used for thousands of years. From balancing blood sugar to fighting inflammation, this ancient bark holds impressive secrets. Modern science is now confirming what traditional medicine knew all along. But what exactly happens when you start adding cinnamon to your daily routine? In this video, we'll explore the top 7 health benefits of cinnamon backed by research. Stay with us, you might be surprised by benefit number 5. Number 1. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cinnamon is widely praised for its ability to lower blood sugar. It works by improving insulin sensitivity, helping your cells absorb glucose more efficiently. This makes it especially helpful for people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Studies show that even half a teaspoon of cinnamon daily can make a difference. It slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract. As a result, it prevents sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. A natural, delicious way to keep your blood sugar in check. Number 2. Fights inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a silent trigger for many diseases. Cinnamon contains powerful antioxidants like polyphenol that combat this inflammation. These compounds help reduce swelling, pain, and tissue damage over time. Research shows cinnamon's anti-inflammatory effect can be comparable to some medications. It's especially beneficial for people with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Adding cinnamon to your diet may help calm your body from the inside out. All that, from just a pinch of spice in your day. Number 3. Boosts heart health. Cinnamon has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. It helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels in the blood. At the same time, it maintains or even increases HDL, good cholesterol. Its natural compounds also improve blood circulation and prevent plaque buildup. This supports healthier arteries and reduces the risk of stroke and heart attack. Some studies even suggest cinnamon can help regulate blood pressure. A small daily dose could do wonders for your heart's longevity. Number 4. Supports brain function and memory. Cinnamon isn't just good for the body, it's great for the brain too. Research shows it can protect neurons and improve cognitive performance. Compounds in cinnamon block the buildup of tau proteins, linked to Alzheimer's disease. It also enhances focus, memory retention, and mental clarity. Just the scent of cinnamon has been shown to boost brain activity in studies. Regular consumption may slow age-related decline in brain function. It's a tasty ally for a sharper, healthier mind. Number 5. Helps with weight loss. Cinnamon can naturally support your weight loss journey. It helps control appetite by keeping blood sugar levels stable. This reduces cravings and the urge to snack between meals. Cinnamon also boosts metabolism, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Its thermogenic properties slightly raise your body temperature to burn more calories. Combined with a healthy diet, it can enhance your fat-burning potential. All from a simple, sweet-smelling spice in your kitchen. Number 6. Fights bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamon has powerful antimicrobial properties. It can kill harmful bacteria like E. coli and fungi like Candida. Cinnamaldehyde, the active compound in cinnamon, disrupts bacterial cell walls. This makes it useful for treating infections, bad breath, and even preserving food. Some people use cinnamon oil topically for skin issues caused by microbes. It also promotes a healthier gut by reducing harmful bacteria. A natural defender for your body's internal and external health. Number 7. Strengthens the immune system. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that boost your body's defenses. It helps neutralize free radicals that weaken the immune system. Its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties offer broad protection. Regular use may help your body fight off colds, flu, and seasonal infections. It also supports gut health, which is closely linked to immune strength. Even a warm cinnamon tea can act as a natural immunity booster. A simple spice with powerful protective effects year-round. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new